Hello friends, welcome to my channel Yearn to Learn. Today's topic, it is what is a pun. So we all know pun is a literary device, but when it comes to answering that or identifying that, we all get confused. So what is a pun? So we all know it's a literary device. It's a very powerful tool. Pun is nothing but a play on words. Yes, it's a words play. Now, when words play, what happens? They give different meaning to it. So, if the intent is humorous, then it is a pun. So, in simple words, I can say when we play with words in such a manner that it gives a humorous effects, it is called a pun. The rhetorical term, if I let you know, it is paronomasia, which literally means to call a different name. So pun can work on different types. It could be because the words that are used are similar in spelling, sound, or meaning. So if I use the technical terms, it could be homonyms, homophones, synonyms. So it is because of that funny effect comes. I will not jump on to the literary examples, but I'll focus on simple things so that you can get the meaning first. For example, why was number 9 afraid of number 7? Because 7, 8, 9. Now 7, 8, 9 are the numbers in order, जैसा कि हमारी काउंटिंग में आते हैं. But 8, EIGHT, and 8 is also spelled as ATE, which is the past form of eat. So 7, 8, 9 means 7 had eaten the number 9. So this was a very silly pun, and silly puns are very cheesy. I'll take one more example of pun. Say, I am reading a book about anti-gravity. It is impossible to put down. Now, I'm reading a book about anti-gravity. It is impossible to put down. The first meaning is, it's so interesting that it is impossible to put down. But now relate the word anti-gravity. Anti-gravity is something that cannot fall to the ground. It is anti-gravity. Gravitational force is not pulling it towards the ground. So it is impossible to put down. If you can think that way, you can get the other meaning. Let's quickly take one more example. A police officer just knocked on my door and told me my dogs are chasing people on bikes. That's ridiculous. My dogs don't even own bikes. So now again, this could be a syntactic error, or it could be an intended pun just to make the other person laugh. So how, if we break the sentence, a police officer just knocked on my door and told me my dogs are chasing, pause, people on bikes. So dogs are chasing, pause, people on bikes. So dogs उनको chase कर रहे हैं जो लोग bikes पर हैं. But if I take it this way, my dogs are chasing people on bikes. Why my dogs are on bikes and they are chasing people. So this is how pun works. Now, as I said, I'll take one or two examples from literature also to make it clear. So let's take example William Shakespeare's Richard III. It is the unkindest tide that ever any man tied. Now tide here again is TIDE tide and TIED tide. So pun is intended. Let's take another example of The Importance of Being Earnest by Oscar Wilde. So you all know in this play, the word earnest is the surname of Jack Ernest. So in Act 3, it comes as, on the contrary, Aunt Augusta, I have now realized for the first time in my life the vital importance of being earnest. Being earnest means being belonging to earnest family, or being earnest means being sincere. Do let me know if you can create some in the comment box below, and like, share and subscribe. Bye for now. God bless you all. Thank you.